The battery died. Okay, so final one. Okay, so this is 2016. Again, pause it, try the question, and come back and check it. Okay, so all we're doing here, 2e to the power of x, okay, and we're filling in, instead of x, we're filling in 0. So effectively, you don't have to show this, but you're doing this in your calculator, 2e to the power of 0, and that comes out to be 2. Do the same, 2e to the power of 0.5. Okay, it comes out as 1.21. Do the same with this, it comes out as 0.74, and this comes out as 0.50. Here, okay, e to the power of 0 minus 1, so that comes out as 0. Do the same here, so e to the power of 0.5 minus 1, 0.65. Filling in for the next one, you get 1.72, and then you get 3. Okay. Right, so you then just fill it in. So here, okay, so x is 0 for f of x, y, this is f of x, or y is, so remember y is f of x, so 0, 2, so 0 up to 2, 0.5, 1.21, so 0.5, so 1.21, so we go here, 1 is 0.74, so 1.2468.74 about here. Okay, and the natural log of 4, now we'll have to work out what the natural log of 4 is to be able to do it, so using our calculator. Okay, so the natural log of 4 is 1.39, so I'm just going to put that in up here for when we're plotting it. So 1.39, so 2468, so 1.2, so that's 1.39, and it is 0.5. So it'll be here. Okay. Now it's clearly not a line, it's not linear. Okay, so you're going to draw it like that. Okay. And we're going to name it, always name it, that's f of x. Same with this, okay, so for the g of x, it's 0, 0, so that's 0, 0, that's an easy one. 0.5, 0.65, so 0.5 is 0.65 about here. 1 is 1.72, so 1.246872. Okay, and 1.39 is 0.3, or sorry, it's 3. Okay. Something's going around there. Oh yeah, I missed it. 0, 0. So we have our 4 points. Okay. So plot those again. It's not clearly not a straight line. Again, it's an exponential, so there will be a curve on it. You know that from the general shapes we know. And we get this. Okay. And it says use your graph to estimate the value of x when f of x equals g of x. So that's the y value, and that's the y value. So this is where they intersect. Okay, so we had one before. So the intersection of the two functions. Okay, so it's here. We want the value of x. So we're just going down from here. Okay, and you're getting a value there of about 0.68. Okay, and that's the functions part done. Okay, this is algebra. Okay, so I'm just going to start it. Okay, we're not going to finish it, so we're going to do it when we're doing algebra. You're going to see it when you'll find a clip in the algebra. It's when we're doing quadratics, interesting quadratics at the end. So this is, but we'll start it. Okay, f of x, so 2 over e to the power of x is equal to e to the power of x minus 1. Okay, so you'd tidy it up. E to the power of x minus 1. Okay, and getting the x terms on their own on this side, and this ends up okay. Okay, algebra. It ends up being a quadratic. We'll do it, but that particular one we're doing algebra. But what I'm more interested in is the functions. At this stage, you've seen the 3 questions on functions. You can do these. Okay, you can do these. You have to be confident to do them, and you work your way down through them. Okay, so in this case, I'm not giving you any extra questions. You're going to pause these and try them as you go. All right, thanks.